you'll find yourself on the library website. Scroll down a little further and you will find the library search box on the right-hand side. Now, you have a few options as to how you search right up front. You can either search everything all at once, which will include results for online articles, ebooks, physical books, DVDs, etc., or you can click the drop-down menu and select options like Library Catalog to just search physical items in the library, as well as ebooks, special collections, and even course reserves for required materials for your classes. For what I want to show you today, I'm going to go ahead and select everything as my search option, just to show you what all is available. You can search any keyword in this search depending on what you are researching, but for today, I'm going to keep the search simple for an artist, Frida Kahlo. Once my search result list loads, you'll notice that there are over 6,000 results that come back. That shows you just how many resources we have available in the library. You'll also notice that each result has information displayed about what type of resource it is and where you can find it. For example, the top result is a book, while the result a few items down is a video. You'll also notice on the bottom line of each item, it tells you how to access it. Any physical book materials we have in the library will show available at the library and include that call number information that we discussed a little bit earlier. If the item is an electronic resource, it will show up as available online. You can utilize the library search to get more and more specific as you continue searching. For the most part, we encourage students to start with a broad search and then narrow down as you go. A great way to narrow down resources based on either the type of resource you are looking for or other criteria is the library search filters on the left-hand side. For example, if you just wanted to look for physical items in the library, you could select Held by Library under Availability, and that will update your result list to only include books, DVDs, and video games. You could also use these filters to search for just articles by going under Resource Type and selecting Articles as your option. This will update your list with only articles. What if you need to get an even more specific search for peer-reviewed or scholarly articles? There is a filter for that as well. By becoming familiar with the library search and its different features and filters, you are able to carry out very powerful and time-saving searches for your results. You can also employ numerous different search strategies in your keyword search. For example, I searched Frida Kahlo to start and got 6,000 results. But it is possible that some of these results are for a different Frida or someone with the name Kahlo. To get these results out of my list, I can put quotes around Frida Kahlo's name, creating a phrase search, which will only show me results with the name Frida and Kahlo together as a phrase, and take my results down by almost half, giving me a more specific and relevant search. We will cover more search strategies that you can utilize in the library search in the next video.